Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny be investing in BI, and we've got another Indigo video. It's been a little while, but not a ton going on. We deposited our iUSD in the iUSD stability pool, and we've been waiting for that first epoch to arrive to see what our rewards would look like, and it has happened. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got going on in our iUSD account. Right now, the APRs have dropped drastically. They were close to 100%, but now they're sitting at about 63.53%. IBTC and iETH are still up a little bit higher, but they have been coming down as well. We really need to decide on which one we need to go with. I'm leaning more towards iETH. Just to get some of those liquidations that are happening. We'll do some further analysis and start to really just see what gets liquidated more on a daily basis and a weekly basis to see where we want to place our bets. But I'm leaning more towards iETH, but we'll see. So we've got a little over $1,000 in iUSD sitting in there. We've got 0.4 in ADA, but let's take a look at the claim button here. And we've got 2.5 INDY tokens. Those INDY tokens are worth over $3 a piece. So we definitely want to accumulate these. I was thinking about every time we get an epoch, just claim them, sell them on the open market, flip them over to blues. But I think we should hold on to these for a little while and maybe start thinking about accumulating some more before we start to pick up some iETH, because I think that's what we're going to go with, but we'll see. We'll still using this as our bank account, do-it-yourself banking, trying to make the best moves that we can to make ourselves some money. That is the goal. We've got about 1,000 ADA left to play with. I'm thinking about more blues tokens, but I might use it to pick up some iETH and open up an Ethereum account here and start earning some INDY tokens. That's what we want to do. We want to earn as many INDY tokens as we possibly can and keep our investment safe and as diverse as possible. So that was a quick update for our do-it-yourself banking with the Indigo protocol. We'll see you in the next one. Hit the like, hit the share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.